Hey, intro. Like I said in my message, I'm not doing a live Google Meet today because you guys really need to meet in small groups today. So I'm going to kind of show you how to do that and kind of the expectation for today. Hope everyone's having a good Monday so far. But what you need today is just posted down here. It will be published when you are looking at it, obviously, because you're at this video. It just says Monday, December 7th. And I really explain everything you need to know, except on this video, I am going to show you how to create a Google Meet if you have not done that. So last week I emailed you in separate groups telling you which like winter sport or spread that you would be in charge of. And at London, not to single you out, but we talked and you said we went with your own idea for the If You Knew Me spread. So I know this is kind of, it's a little bit different for you, but I think we know what we're talking about there. So today, guys, I want you to just meet in small groups to figure out a plan for your upcoming spread assignment, which again, for everybody except London, it is a winter sport. And so I want you guys to just kind of get in that Google Meet and talk about, hey, like I can take pictures on this day, pull up the calendar if you need to, and really decide who's going to be doing what and who's going to take pictures or how you're going to obtain those pictures. I must say that girls basketball, it is actually two spreads, one of which will have a story, the other one will just be photos and captions. Same with boys basketball. And then wrestling is just one spread and girls swim is just one spread as well. So just a little FYI there. We do that because girls basketball and boys basketball has so many different teams. Hey guys, sorry, I had to pause. My daughter popped in on me. So anyway, like I was saying, we have multiple spreads for girls and boys basketball because they have so many teams. Okay. So during your group meetings, I want somebody from the beginning to volunteer to just take a few notes on what you discussed, which should be the plan of how you plan on proceeding with this spread. Think about the layout, pictures, the story, captions. Everybody should be contributing in some way, even if it's just like, oh, hey, I play basketball. I can talk to players and get quotes from them for captions after we have pictures. Or, I just want you to talk about how you can all work together. And I think you will see that working in a group will be easier, because you have more brains involved. So then post those notes on this discussion board just so I can stay up to date on your plans. And only one person in your group has to post on the discussion board, the person who took notes, okay? This is due by the end of the day today because I do want the plan. So this is timely. It's not something that I'm just like, oh, just whenever. No, we want a plan moving forward. If someone doesn't show up to your group meeting, please just email me and just say, hey, this person didn't do the group meeting. Please, though, first and foremost, like we're a little ahead of ourselves. Don't forget about your first spread assignment, okay? We do have to talk about winter sports because they're starting to happen, and so we need pictures before they are done. But that first spread that you are in charge of, please be finishing those up, get them proofed. Let me know what I can do to help you with that, okay? That is priority. All right. So guys, that's really all I have. If you do have questions today, please email me. I'm just going to show you how to create a Google Meet before I get off of here, and that'll be that. Okay. So if you are in your Google Drive, let's say, okay, and you can be in your email, Google Drive, wherever, up here, your little, what do they call that? Your grid. I don't know exactly what they call it. I forgot. You go down here to Meet, click Meet. You can join or start a meeting. You can nickname it something too. So if you are like Cameron and Carly, you're wrestling, you can name it Yearbook Wrestling. Whatever you want. You can name it something very basic. And you can continue. And then how you would share this with people is, let me see here. I want to change my background. A really easy way to share this with people is to just copy and paste the link up here. And you guys can't see this on my screen, but if you just copy and paste the URL and then share it with others, you can do it that way. And it's very simple. There's also another way that you can do it. You can, well, from your email, actually, you can just say new meeting and you can literally copy and paste this link right here, or you can send an invite through email. So I could literally type in the other people in my group, their names, and I could send the link out that way. And it's very simple, guys. Okay. So, or if you're all like friends and you have each other's numbers, you can do like a group phone call, FaceTime, whatever it is that you want to do is fine with me as long as you guys are talking about this spread. Okay. So that is really all of it for today. Please have your meeting today. Post your minutes from the meeting below. And then on Thursday, we will have a live Google Meet during our class time. But if you have questions today or before Thursday, obviously, please email me. Okay. I'll see you guys Thursday.